This is Wade and his daughter, Melanie.
Hello.
Wade likes to tinker with gadgets.
Tinker. That's an understatement.
We sent Wade a Nite Adventure Kit. Lots of cool new stuff to play with.
Come on, Dad. Let's go.
Honey! Let's clean up the clutter.
Dad! Get out of my room!
Steely for the car. Steely for the home. Car. Home. Car. Melanie, Mel, where are you going? And it really does ride upside down. A little help here, Mel. Mel! Wow, this wallet features 10 different tools. Let's count them out. You can open boxes. 1. Bottle opener. 2.
Where's your dad?
He's still counting.
It's also a wrench. 7.
Nite Eyes, Life's Adventure Kit.